Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
How are you doing, sir?
Fine, thank you.
Alright, sir. Today we are here to celebrate Sir Shina Peters, his 60th birthday, sir. What's your relationship with him, sir?
The relationship between me and Shina is that of a son to a father. Shina Peters, at the age of 10, came to me and told me that he wanted to play with me, and I was so excited to see a young man of 10 years with such a multi-talented artist. I started music as a professional from the age of 15, but he came to me at the age of 10. It was since then that I know that definitely he was a star, and I told him that, and I'm happy that he became that star. So I'm very happy for him.
Okay, meaning you've known him for the past 50 years. So describe Sir Shina Peters in one word.
Yes. What?
Can you describe Sir Shina Peters in one word?
He's a very humble man, a multi-talented instrumentalist, a very loving person that respects elders.
So of all his tracks, which one is your favorite?
I love all his music, but Ace is the chartbuster.
So what is your wish for Sir Shina Peters on his 60th birthday?
I wish him more success. I pray that he clocks 70, 80, 90, 100 and more.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's exactly everything. Go TV, click on it, you see a subscribe button, click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.